Hello everybody, here we will paint a landscape with regular watercolor, with transparent watercolor and wet on wet technique. First we will prepare the color, see the color and water ratio. Now apply fresh water on the paper. We should keep the paper in little slanted manner so that the color can flow downwards easily. Now we will apply the color. See how it's spreading. Here I am using Camel Artist Watercolor 18 color set. In this set we will mix some colors like orange, Payne's grey, French ultramarine blue, cerulean blue, etc. But still it is enough for beginners. Applying little bit of yellow here. On the cloud we will apply bit grayish tone with yellow ochre, blue and little bit burnt sienna or burnt umber. That is, burnt umber is not there in the set. Now we will create the distant trees. For that we will mix sap green with Prussian blue. We can use little bit cobalt blue also if you want, and sap green with Prussian blue for cooler green color to create distance. We can apply little bit burnt sienna also to add some warmth. The light is hitting the ground directly, so ground will be warm. We shall use different types of yellows and sap green. Green plus burnt sienna for brownish grass, green plus blue and black little bit in lower portion, that is the foreground will be mostly contrasty, so we will use dark color and keep little bit white light also. And we can make some scratches with the back side of the brush or any sharp object for light strands of grass. add little bit of detailing on the ground. And we can draw some trees with dark green, that that may be sap green plus Prussian blue, or sap green plus burnt sienna also. And we can create some, we can draw some trees also there with dark green, that may be maybe sap green plus blue or brown, and we can create the shadow of the tree. On the upper right corner, we can paint a branch of a tree that is peeping in the frame. And now create some detailing, branches, leaves of the branches, and little bit darker leaves. Congratulations, we have done.